Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will learn how to design this part in SolidWorks. Okay, just start it. Open SolidWorks and here we use millimeter units. So instead of selecting millimeter gram second. We start draw from top. So right click on top plane and click sketch. Select center rectangle and draw from this point like this. Then for the length in here we can set in 84 and width in 70. 84 and here in 70 millimeter. Then in here have 4 hole diameter in 8 millimeter. So we can first select in center line, draw from this midpoint to this center and to this midpoint. Then we can to make circle in here, set for diameter in 8 millimeter. Set distance this center of circle and to this center line in 58 millimeter like this, and this center to this center line distance in 46 6 millimeter. Then we can to mirror entities for this circle. Mirror about, click this center line, click OK. Click again on mirror entities, edit the mirror, select this circle and this circle. Mirror about, just select this center line. Click OK. Then we can to select feature, click extrude base or base, direction in blind, and here have thickness in 11 millimeter. 11 millimeter. Click OK. Then don't forget on each corner have fillet radius in 18. Select fillet and here insert in 18 millimeter for radius. Item to fillet. Select this corner edge, this edge, and the last is this edge. Click OK and done. Then we can right click on right plane and click sketch. Draw to circle here. Draw to circle like this. Ensure this center of circle, click Ctrl and click this point, click make vertical. Then select for distance this point to bottom edge in 133 millimeter. Then we can to set for diameter outer circle diameter in 46, and inner circle we can choose one in here. For example, I select in 28.57. 28.57 like this. Now we can draw line. Draw from this point to this point and to this circle, and draw line from this point to this circle. Ensure this line, click and click Ctrl on your keyboard, select this circle, click make tangent, click this line, click Ctrl on your keyboard, click this circle and click make tangent like this. It's so simple. After that you can do select feature again and click extrude boss or base. But in here for direction, change in mid plane for symmetry. And selected contour first, select this sketch. Thickness in 8 millimeter. In here in 8 millimeter. Click OK and click again on sketch 2 and click extrude boss or base. Now for selected contour, select this sketch, make like a cylinder. Thickness in here, the length in 34. Here in 34 millimeter for the depth or depth, and click OK. So simple. And we can to make grip thickness in 8 millimeter, thickness this face to this rib in 10 millimeter. So right click on front plane and click sketch. Draw line from this to this. Ensure this line more higher for this edge. For example, we can to set here to here in 2 millimeter. For example, I set in 2 millimeter. And right click on this line and click make vertical and ensure for distance this edge to this line in 10 millimeter. Now we can make rib with feature and select rib. Ensure for direction to inside, so we can to flip material side in here. And thickness keep in both sides, thickness in 8 millimeter. Just click OK and done. It's so simple like this. Here have radius in 32. Just select fillet. Fillet parameter change in 32 millimeter for radius and click this edge. Click OK and done. Don't forget in here identical ribs on both sides. So click mirror and feature to mirror, select fillet 2 and rib 1. For mirror face or plane, just click on right plane. Click OK and done. Like this. Then we can to make this two circle, but before to make the circle here, we must to make circle have radius in 81. So right click on right plane again and click sketch. Draw circle like this. Right click on the circle and click construction geometry. For diameter, radius in here in 81, so diameter in 162 millimeter like this. Then we can to make circle in here. Draw two circle. Ensure this point and this circle. Click Ctrl, click make coincident, and we can set for distance. This center of circle to this point have distance in 14 millimeter. Then we can to set for diameter here in 29. Then this circle have diameter in 13. Click feature and click extrude brush or base. Direction in mid plane and the length in here in 33 millimeter. Just click OK. And click again on sketch 4 and click extrude cut. Now we can select the contour, just like inner circle in here. Direction in through all both. Just click OK and done. It's so simple. Now we can to make here two circle have distance in 162 from bottom edge, so we must to make new plane. Click reference geometry and select plane. First reference in here, choose on top plane, and for offset distance in here, so input in 162 millimeter. Ensure direction to the top like this and click OK. Now we can right click on this plane and click sketch. Draw the circle. First circle in here m8 by 1.25. So in here can set for circle in 8 millimeter diameter and here in 17. Click feature and click extrude brush or base again. Direction we can to reverse direction here and we can change in up to next. Click OK and click again for sketch 5 to make hole in here. So select extrude cut, selected contour, just select this circle, direction in up to next and click OK and done like this. Right click on this plane and click hide. Now we can to make thread in here in 1.25. So click thread in here, click OK. Ensure for type you select in metric metric type in here, select in metric type. In metric type in here. And for size, change in m8 by 1.25. Like this. For thread location, ensure select this edge. And for end condition, we can change in blind. We must make thread in here more higher from this edge. So for example, I set in 220 millimeter for length in blind like this. And for the start in here we can set offset, just check this. For example in 2 millimeter, reverse offset to top. In here we make an offset so that the thread bolt can be installed like this. Just click OK. And done. It's so simple. Now we can to set for all fillets and around in R3. Radius 3, so select fillet, set in 3 millimeter for radius. Attempt to fillets, maybe select this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, and select this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge, like this. And in here also this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge, this edge, and this edge. In here set this edge, and this edge like this. Just click OK. And here don't forget all round and fillets, so we can select again on fillets in 3 millimeter. Select on this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge like this. And in here like this edge, and this edge like this. And here click this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. Click OK. And here I can set fillet in 3 millimeter on this and this. Click OK. And done. It's so simple like this. And you can forget in here, fillet in here, and this edge in 3 millimeter, and click OK. Okay, ensure input all dimension of it like this. Then we can to set or change for color, this icon, maybe in yellow, and click OK. And click again on this icon, maybe in white for face, to set this hole, this hole, this hole, this hole, this hole, and this hole. Click OK. Okay, I think that's enough. I apologize if there are any mistake or error in the tutorial. Sorry, we can in here set fillet. In here 3 millimeter, maybe this on, and this edge like this edge, and click OK. Alright, for this fillet, change color in yellow. Click OK. Okay, I think that's enough. I apologize if there are any mistake or error in this tutorial. Thank you for watching the end video, and see you in the next tutorial. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.